Yo, Big P in the cut again. Back here down at the camping farm with my chuck wagon. As you can see, I've already cut out this area here, so it's much easier to get in and so on and so forth, with shelves and everything that I'm going to build in there. But yeah, got loads of timber here as well to make all my shelves and all my cupboards, little drawers and bits and bobs that I can put pots and pans and red-tat-tat. But now I'm going to cut this and start. So yeah, stay tuned. Watch out now, people, watch out. Little POV, got my piece of ply there. I'm gonna have a nice big unit here, another nice unit here, a shelf on top, a box, some more shelves and cupboards. But for now I'm gonna drill in this piece of batten here just to sort of wedge this bit of ply in to keep it from moving. Are these screws gonna be long enough? They are. One like that, another screw down here. Where's me hammer? Where's me hammer? Hammer. Oh, oh. That. Another batten there. Doesn't have to be decent enough. Where's my tape measure? A bosh. What's that? Not too short. This other batten, is it 50? So this is gonna be sort of like the kitchen area. I think I said before in the previous video, and if you haven't, go watch that. But where's the pen gone now? Oh, look at that in there. But yeah, it's gonna be like a kitchen area. So if you haven't, go watch the previous videos to see the other progress on the rest of this chuck wagon. And just cut this. Now what I want to build, or put a piece of ply now on top of this. Let's say there and there. What's that? Let's go 1 meter 25. Let's go 1 meter 25 of this same stuff. Hopefully this bit is long enough. Look at that. It is lovely jubbly. There we go. Something like that. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, but there we are. First shelf in. Gonna try to build another shelf sort of here somewhere. And like I said, I want to build a box. I might try to put doors here maybe, or up here. I'm not too sure. But yeah, coming along as they say. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. It's gonna be wicked. And then once I've done all that as well, I want to get a nice big bit of ply on this area, and it folds down on the leg. So then I've got a nice working area here. I can prepare the food and blah blah blah. And then over there will be the fire. And then I'll have my fire pit, maybe a trench as well to put big Dutch ovens in. I mean, proper camping, no glamping stuff, real camping. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be nothing but pure fire as always. Like I said before, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Hit the post notifications as well, so you know when I upload a video. And if you haven't, go check out the last couple of videos from when I went to Wales and watched the Six Nations. And I did a little POV as well around Newport. So yeah, go check them out and check everything else out while you're at it. So I'm going to use this piece of timber here, build a little shelf here. Cut it now, mark and measure. Let's say 50, 51. Nice piece of batten. Some of this blue stuff. Now I've got my second shelf in. Not as good as this first one, but it'll do. Put things on there like so. Watch. Put a bottle on there. Know what I mean? Put things on the shelf as well. Be good. Come on, you know the boys are winning. You know the boys are winning. Come on. But yeah, this can be like a little drawer that I'm gonna put here and pull in and out. Just letting these two sides dry, and then that's gonna go like so. And I got one of these little things I'm gonna put on there, so it's easier than to pull in and out. So I'm gonna do right now. Here we have it. This is gonna be the work space to prepare the food and everything. I'm gonna put it on these two hinges I got here. My little shelf drawer that's gonna go up there. It's drying out. I glued it all up. So hopefully that tomorrow that will be nice and dry. Got my work area sorted. Bang down through the nails. And I might cover it with something. See if I can get some sort of tablecloth, some sort of plastic or something. Cover it with. That's almost dry. I'm gonna put the that piece there on it. And then tomorrow I'm gonna build a leg support for this. So then when it comes down to about here somewhere, as you can see, not too bad. But yeah, that's it for today. I'm done. Do them couple of bits I said tomorrow, and that'll be it. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. Yo, next day now. Got a few good bits done yesterday. Got this nice work area done, so I can prepare food and everything. Got my shelves built in there. Got this one box built. It's drying off. Pretty much done. I'm gonna cut up another box now. And then also today I'm gonna sort out a leg for this, so it can be down nice and level. There we are, there's my 2 boxes that are gonna go on the shelf here. I might build another one next time I come down. But yeah, let them dry off. And next time I'll put them up there and they'll be good to use. To put knife and forks and spoons and pieces like that in there. But now I'm gonna sort this out, this leg. The leg for my top here. And then a piece of 2x4, some batten or something to go up there to keep it from falling when it's up against the wagon. So yeah, and I might, if I got time, I might start on, where is it? It's in the wagon, but I might start on is at the back here. I'm gonna build just a little shelf that sort of sits there for the water barrel that I got inside the wagon. So when I come down here camping, I can just fill up water, put that there. It's good to be used. So yeah, if I got time, I might do that today. I don't know. We'll see. Yo, that's it, people. All done. I didn't feel much of the last little bits I done because I haven't got much battery life on my camera.